Catherine Weathersby, and today I want to talk to you about test before you invest. Yes, that's what I said. I said test before you invest. Okay, so you're a box truck owner. You've purchased a beautiful box truck. It's the model you want. It's the color you want. And it has very good mileage. But here's the caveat. It's currently sitting in your driveway. It's currently parked in a commercial lot, but it doesn't bring you any money. In fact, it's costing you money because you are currently paying a note, you are currently paying insurance, and you have other costs that are associated with your truck. Now, how did that happen? You went into the situation with your eyes wide open. You were told that if you signed on with a particular company, or if you came up with some kind of concept, or you got a dispatcher and you got on different job boards for expediting, whatever you were told, it didn't work out. And now you have a truck that's costing you money, but is not bringing in a dime of revenue. So, what do? Do you turn the truck in because you can't afford it? Do you give up and you take the truck and you let somebody else use it? Or do you hire someone to help you to find a good company to sign on with so that you can make revenue every day with your box truck? Which one of those would you choose? So I'm not going to say any more about your situation, but I'm going to allow you to think through and determine for your own self what you think out of those three the best strategy would be. To let it sit, to give it to somebody else, or to sit down with me and let's come up with a plan. It's that simple. Now, I've been getting emails, texts, you name it, I've gotten it. People coming to me saying, hey, I saw you on YouTube, but I got a box truck and it's costing me money and I can't do anything with it. It's sitting. But then when I say, well, you want to have a strategy session, let's talk about it, I hear crickets. It's not everybody. I've had my share of strategy sessions, but the vast majority of you are sitting around worried, telling me that you got to turn the truck back in, and it's your truck, and it's going to mess up your credit because you don't have a clue. And then you make excuses why you can't sit down and have a strategy session to help your own self so that your credit won't be jacked up, that helped you get the truck in the first place, and so that you can start making an income. Sometimes it's just easier to complain than it is to take action. And I understand that. In business, my philosophy of business is fail fast. So a lot of you have failed fast. You don't have a clue. You don't know what to do. You didn't test before you invested. You didn't test. Because had you tested, you wouldn't have a truck sitting in your driveway collecting dust. So the link is in the description box below. When you're ready, reach out. Look forward to talking to you real soon, and stay tuned for more videos. And remember, if you haven't started yet, test before you invest. Talk to you soon.